Acute appendicitis. The appendix is non-functioning organ which is as the size of finger pouch measuring about 3 to 4 inches. It is located at junction of the small and large intestine, that is, it is attached to the cecum, but it has no function and almost it is a useless organ in the body. It may harm, but usually harmful to the human body, but it has no benefit at all. So it is a living organ having blood supply, nerve supply, has inner lining of the epithelial tissue producing mucus and the lymphoid tissues that produces the lymphocyte, and it is said by some researchers that it is just like a mini tonsils in the body that produces immune system cells to protect the body against the infection. It entraps the pathogens and produces lymphocyte to kill them, but it is not clear up till now. So in certain conditions, when it is irritated by certain factors like fecalith, parasites, pathogens, non-absorbable seeds, and other foreign bodies which are ingested accidentally by the person, that produces irritation in this organ. It is a pouch tube-like organ measuring from 3 to 4 centimeter, 3 to 4 inches, not centimeter, inches long. So that produces tenderness, inflammation, the organ becomes swollen, and it produces pain, almost severe pain, at the lobe in the right iliac fossa. And it is a very severe pain, intolerable, producing symptoms like low grade fever, severe pain, nausea, vomiting, anorexia, cachexia finally, and it is produced by simple coughing, sneezing, and walking. So there is a test that if we apply a mild palpatory pressure over the right iliac fossa, that produces severe pain to the patient. This is called as McBurney sign. And McBurney point, where it is located, that is a line drawn from the umbilicus to the anterior superior iliac spine, 2/3 from the umbilicus and 1/3 from the anterior superior iliac spines. So that is called as McBurney point, and the physical examination is called as finding is called as McBurney sign. So it is the most diagnostic process which need not to be investigated further more. Just the history of the patient and the physical examination and the right iliac fossa, and that is sufficient one. There is obstruction in the only single orifice which it communicate with the cecum, that is blocked one. So when there is blockage at the opening of the appendix tube, the innermost layers, they hypertrophy, there is increased pressure, exudate formation, there is ischemia, leading to the gangrene, and finally that is pus formation, or the almost it is called as appendicular mass or abscess is produced, which may burst and causes and involve whole the abdominal wall and the inside the organs vital one. That is called as peritonitis. And when these septic material passes into the blood, it is called as septicemia, which goes through bloodstream to the distal organs where the pathogens harbor and multiply, divide, and produces various pathologies. So acute appendicitis is very painful, distressing, and alarming one. So these signs, which is simple one, that is severe pain at the right iliac fossa.